Hello, welcome to the podcast class. Today's topic is transfer of heat. Okay. If heat is supplied to any substance, it will be transferred from one part of the substance to another part. It takes place in different ways depending on the state of the substance. There are three ways of heat transfer. They are conduction, convection, and radiation. In conduction, heat transfer takes place between two ends of the same solid or through two solid substances that are at different temperatures but in contact with one another. Thus, we can define conduction as the process of heat transfer in solids from the region of higher temperature to the region of lower temperature without the actual movement of atoms or molecules. Let's see about the conduction in daily life. Yes, we cook food in vessels made up of metals. When the vessel is heated, heat is transferred from the metal to the food. When we iron dresses, heat is transferred from the iron to the cloth. Handles of cooking utensils are made up of plastic or wood because they are poor conductors of heat. The temperature inside igloo is warm because snow is a poor conductor of heat. Next, let's move on to convection. What is convection? You see, when water in the vessel is heated, water molecules at the bottom receive heat energy and move upward. Then the molecules at the top comes down and get heated. This kind of heat transfer is known as convection. This is how air in the atmosphere is also heated. Thus, the form of heat transfer from places of high temperature to places of low temperature by the actual movement of molecules is called convection. Convection takes place in liquids and gases. Now let's see convection in day-to-day life. Yes, wind flows from one region to another region by convection. Okay. In hot air balloons, heat is transferred by convection and so the balloon rises. Formation of land breeze and sea breeze is due to convection in air. In refrigerators, cool air moves downward and replaces the hot air because of convection. And the third form of heat transfer is radiation. What is radiation? Radiation is the third form of heat transfer. Yes, by conduction, heat is transferred through solids. By convection, heat is transferred through liquids and gases. Okay, but by radiation, heat can be transferred through empty space, even through vacuums. Okay, so heat energy from the sun reaches the earth by this form of heat transfer. Therefore, radiation is defined as the way of heat transfer from one place to another in the form of electromagnetic waves. Radiation in day-to-day life. Yes, heat energy from the sun reaches the earth by radiation. Black surfaces absorb heat radiation so that the bottom of the cooking vessels are painted black. While standing near fire, we feel the heat which is transferred as radiation. White color reflects heat radiation. That's why we are advised to wear white clothes during summer. Thank you, learners, for listening and learning through the podcast class. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.